Tina Hansen here with the fantastic Skylar McCurran to talk about loneliness.
Yes. Loneliness is your consistent partner in business.
I know, exactly. Loneliness, isolation. So we've had a dialogue around a good number of women in particular in business look to partner with somebody else when they start a business because they're looking for that support. And we talked about how co-working can be a fantastic solution to that. And I'm excited because I've learned so much in the last year about franchising.
Yes.
And you know, it's funny, it's never something I ever in my wildest dreams thought I'm gonna be in franchising someday. Just never ever thought about that. But what's been neat to learn about the industry as we've gone through the franchise process, and met many others who have pioneered in the franchise process, which might I point out, there are very few female founder franchisors. There's a good number of women in franchising, but I'm trying to band together the female founder franchisors for support. But anyhow, yeah. But what's really neat and struck me the other day, kind of along the lines of what we talked about with partnerships and finding co-working space as opposed to necessarily getting into a partnership, is being a franchisee is a fantastic way to combat that loneliness in business, meaning you are part of a network of other individuals who are doing the same thing in different cities and then sharing that experience and collaborating. So you own your own business, you are your own boss, you're paving your own way, but you have this amazing support network behind you, not only from the franchisor, but other franchisees in the system who are consistently, if you have a good franchisor, you know, helping draw out some of the learnings at your location and then sharing those system-wide. And it just struck me the other day when I was at the International Franchise Association annual conference of just the uniqueness of that segment or business model, if you will.
Yeah, and I think another thing too, I know being a small business owner, you know, when I attend workshops or, you know, when I was really just kind of getting started, it was, you need to do your business plan and, you know, there's this, and all these processes and everything just felt so overwhelming. Like, I don't know if I can make this happen. If I do it, is it really going to work? But that's another amazing benefit to franchising as well. So you have, I mean, you're still going to be building a business from the ground up, but you do have that support in someone that really has fleshed out the business idea, not just once, but twice, but a few times.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so it's just an amazing way to get support that way too, in terms of process and application and building. So
yeah, really a roadmap, or sometimes what I'll say is a business in a box, so to speak.
Yeah.
And significant training and hand-holding, not only in the ramp-up period, but also ongoing. And that's what I'm so excited about with the Hera Hub opportunity as we franchise, is really building a global community of women who get it. Really, who are passionate about supporting one another and building collaborative communities, and the fact that we can do business with women all over the world. And somebody in San Diego can have such an easy extension to do business in Chicago or Miami or Boston or Dubai or Tokyo or Lima, Peru, as we continue to grow and really building that network of women who get it and changing the way business is done, putting an emphasis on collaboration versus competition.
Yeah, I like that. That needs to be the new mantra in the working world. Collaboration versus competition.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
So I'm excited about it, and thank you for all your help and support and all the things that we're doing in regards to media outreach and really connecting with some of the journalists that are focused on our space. So far, it's just been fantastic.
I'm so overjoyed to be part of a bigger mission and vision and just working, and I think it's really exciting to see all these people across the world that also find it just to be so invigorating and so meaningful. So kudos to you, boss.
Go boss. Partners.
Yes.